Hello coaches, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your CoachVantage account to your Stripe account. The first thing to do is click on your name, select My Settings, and then click on the Integrations tab. You'll see here the section saying Connect to Stripe. Now click on this button that says Connect with Stripe. It will take you to this page where it says Get Started with Stripe, and here you'll need to enter your email account to connect to your Stripe. After you've entered the email associated with your Stripe account, click Continue, and then enter your password over here that's associated with your Stripe account. Next, hit the Login button. You may be asked to enter a verification code that Stripe will send to your device. After you've entered the verification code, click Connect. You'll get a connect message and you will see that now you are connected to Stripe. Your key is hidden and you can always hide it. By default, it is hidden, but you can reveal it. But this is not anything that you will require for your account unless you need troubleshooting support. And that's it. You've now connected your Stripe account to CoachVantage.